This is a quick walkthrough of the camper after coming back from Linex. The only difference I've done was last night I installed 4 latches on the corners. That's the rear hatch. And then there's a side compartment. This is big enough for a 20-pound propane tank. They sprayed the inside of this too. So the idea is that this top portion will pop up. I haven't decided how big or how high. I installed a ladder before even building the camper. Pretty convenient. Right now I'm just using this piece of wood, but I'm gonna have some gas struts installed on the ends to lift that up. And the same for the front hatch. I've got the bed area up top. And then I've got my 95-liter fridge from Dometic and a Thetford porta potty that's going to go in the middle here. And I got some heavy-duty slides that'll be able to have an outdoor kitchen style right here when it's done with. I'm going to add one more latch to each side to hold the trailer down, and I have some tie down points that I might put in too, so I could tie it down to the inside of the truck over here. Alright, so that was a quick tour of the camper. There's still a lot left to do. I've got the roof lift system to do. I've got the loft bed, whether it's going to be permanently placed or if I'm doing a slide in to give me more room. I'm going to build a wall at the back with a door to keep the bugs out and give it more of a trailer feel. I want a slide out kitchen so there's more room outside to cook than there is in a cramped little trailer. My electrical is going to be a Blue Eddy AC 200 unit that's coming in. So that's going to be my main source of power. I still want to hook up to the city, and I still want the ability to hook up to a 12-volt battery. So I am going to hook up a small system for that. I've got 4 100-watt panels from Renogy. I don't know how many I'm going to use, but they do all fit on the roof. They're just quite heavy, so I want to limit the weight as much as I can. The water system, I want enough water that I could stay out there and not have to come back after 2 days. So I also don't want as much water that it weighs down the truck. I'm gonna also look at the idea of building some sort of system to draw water from other sources such as the lake or river to keep me going for that much longer. Ventilation, definitely need some ventilation in there. It gets hot really fast as it is pretty enclosed, and I'm just going to be making it even more closed up. Awning, I want to build myself some sort of awning to wrap around the camper. And then there's the washroom. I've got a Thetford 565E toilet that I'm setting up inside the camper for use when we're on the road. But when we set up permanent camp, I want the ability to set that up somewhere. So I'll probably have a tent for that purpose. And then that way there it's separate from the camper. There's a lot of things I didn't mention. I didn't want to make this a long list video. I just want to inform you guys on what stage I'm at and where I'll be going next with this project. I'm not a professional by any means. This is the first time I build something like this. So if you guys have any suggestions or see something that I could do to improve what I've done, don't be afraid of leaving that in the comments. I'll take any help I can get with this. So thanks again for watching, and I'll keep you guys posted.